tent is I can't remember. I think it's Macau. This one is Angola. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is a little food court area, and you got pizza, chambal, tacos, and on the other side they have some other food too, Chinese, Vietnamese, and we're basically going to walk around a little bit in Taipa tonight. Biblioteca. Okay, it's a library for Taipa. French fries and bread. A lot of people walking around at nighttime here. Okay, so we're in kind of in Taipa village basically. So we're just gonna walk around a little bit in this area, show you some of the stuff. There's kind of a cool building right there, lots of tall apartment buildings here, and then as soon as you turn around the corner, we go right into this little tourist area. So there's a marketplace on Sundays only, I think, and that's all starting to close down for the evening. And we're gonna go into this crowd of people in a moment. So let's just see. There's a nice tree over there. So we're gonna walk right into the middle of it, and you can see lots of tourists, people pausing to look around at the tourist shops, get some snacks. Tourist things. Just gonna walk all the way down. Let's see. Okay. This is more or less what it looks like. So this is probably the biggest tourist place in Taipa, where the souvenirs and some restaurants are at, Turkish ice cream, Portuguese tarts, Lord stoves, all that stuff. So people like to come down here as a tourist and buy some goodies and tourist things and stand in line for these things. Okay. Sometimes I go down the alleys. I've done that a lot, but I'm not going to do it tonight. So alright, we'll just conclude it for kind of the main drag here of Taipa. Come here, Charlie, come here. So we're gonna walk through this crowd. Let's see, this is the last night, the Sunday night. The Caipirinha, Brazilian, with cameras, setting up shots. More people with cameras setting up shots. We go all the way down to the music at the end. So this one is souvenirs. So this one is Mozambique. Guinea-Bissau. So this is the Guinea-Bissau tent. Brazil, Mozambique. And then next I think is Angola, I think. We go all the way down. I don't know, this tent is I can't remember. I think it's Macau. This one is Angola. Macau. We have Cape Verde. And this one is